Supabase is an open-source Firebase alternative that provides a suite of backend tools like authentication, real-time database, and storage. Let's learn how to deploy Supabase in your AWS account. You can find the link to the deployment guide below in the description. It's also available under the Additional Resources section on the product page. Here is the developer guide for the Supabase. If you've completed all the prerequisites, let's proceed to set up the product. To begin, click on the View Purchase Options button. Accept the terms and conditions by clicking on Accept Terms. Please wait some moments. Once completed, click on Continue to Configuration. From the fulfillment options, choose CloudFormation template. Select the version and your preferred region for deployment. Click on the Continue to Launch button. From the Choose Action drop-down, select Launch CloudFormation and click Launch. We're now ready to create the CloudFormation stack. Click Next. Provide a unique stack name. Enter the admin email. Specify your deployment name, which can be any name you prefer. Provide a public domain name for the domain name parameter. Supabase will attempt to configure SSL automatically if the domain is hosted on Route 53. Keep default as instance type t3.medium. Select your key name. Set SSH vocation 0.0.0.0/0. Provide dashboard password. You can set dashboard username as well. Keep subnet CIDR block and VPC CIDR block as default. Click Next. Tick the checkbox to acknowledge that CloudFormation might create IAM resources with custom names. Click Next. Verify the details you've entered. Click Submit. You'll now be redirected to the CloudFormation Stacks page. Please wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the stack creation process to complete. Fast forwarding 5 to 10 minutes. Once the stack is created, let's configure DNS. In the Outputs tab of the CloudFormation stack, copy the public IP. Go to AWS Route 53 and navigate to Hosted Zones. Select the appropriate hosted zone for your domain. Click Create Record. Enter the domain name and paste the public IP into the value field. Click Create Record to complete the DNS setup. Let's generate the SSL certificate manually. Copy the public IP from the Outputs tab again. Open your terminal and navigate to the folder containing your private key. Type yes. You are now logged into the Supabase server. Run the following command to generate an SSL certificate. You can find this script under the Generate SSL section in the documentation. Set Y. Enter your email. Set Y. Now you can access the Supabase dashboard from your domain. Enter the admin user details, enter the password, and click Continue. You will now be logged into the Supabase dashboard. Congratulations! Your Supabase deployment is now live. Enjoy using Supabase.